Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this video where I show you all how I am going to do my brows on camera for you all today. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm going to show you all how I do my brows. I have all the products here and I'm going to leave them listed in the description box down below. So make sure you check out the description box to see all the products that I use. And I get this question a lot, so I'm going to clip my hair back and then show you all how I do my brows. Like, where are you? Okay. Oh, there it is. Side. Now let me get this side out the way. Alright. Brow gel on them prior to filming this, and obviously I have all of my makeup on. I'm gonna probably take a few pictures for Instagram after this. Make sure you're following me there if you are not. I post a lot of makeup and fashion pics there now. So usually what I do is I have my natural, pretty much my brows are sparse and thin, but I have a natural shape, so I just follow my natural shape with my brow pencil. So I'm just gonna follow my natural shape, and I do very, very light, thin strokes. And it's, as you can see, it's like I'm following the natural shape of my eyebrow. I'm not doing anything crazy or dramatic, just following the natural shape. I'll also speed up some parts because it's going to get repetitive after a while, and I'm pretty sure you all will know how to do it. So that's pretty much just me following the shape. It's very, very light. So if you can't even really see it on camera and with the lights, that's fine because it's meant to be very light. I use it as like a guide so that when I go in with the pomade, then I know the lines to basically follow. And just so you guys know, do your brows how you want to do them. Do them whichever way makes you happy. I like bold brows, especially like with a look like this, where it's like bold and in your face and have lashes on and eyeshadow on. I like bold in your face brows somewhat, but when I don't have any makeup on and I'm just like running out the house and I'm just putting on a little bit of mascara and lip gloss and leaving, then I do a more natural brow. So for this, I'm going to do a bold brow though, obviously, because I have a bold eye look. Going in with the pomade, and I'm going to basically follow the lines that I've already drawn. Again, with very, very light strokes. Don't go in too heavy. Just use a very, very light hand. I try and use a very, very light hand. I mean, sometimes I'm heavy-handed, but oh well. It's not the end of the world. It's just brows. You can always take it off and do it over again if you don't like how it looks. How do you guys do your brows? Or what brow products do you love to use? Or which ones do you like swear by? Like, these are the must-haves. Must-haves that I have to have in order to do good brows. Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm always looking to try new products, especially brow products. Yes. I'm just using a very small amount, and then I have a piece of tissue here and I'm pinching the bristles of this brush so I can get a more defined and crisp line. Because these brush hairs are very thick naturally, so they won't give me a defined look. So I have to kind of like pinch them just so they can give me a more defined brow. How's your guys' day? I hope you're all having a good day and staying safe. And are you still in lockdown where you are? Let me know in the comment section down below. Brows are super important to any and every eye look. And if you have thin, sparse brows like mine, it's just fine. You just make it work. But for me, it's an essential for every eye look, for any eye look that I do. If I don't have my brows on, forget it. Doing my makeup today was so weird because usually I do my face, I do my foundation, concealer, all of that jazz, and then I do my brows, and then I do my eyes. But doing this tutorial was funny because it was like, I don't have brows on. I feel like I'm missing. The whole time I was like, but I don't have my brows on. It was so weird. How do you guys usually do your makeup? Do you do your brows first, or how do you usually do it? Let me know down below. I usually always do my foundation, concealer, all of that, and then I do my brows. And if I'm not really going anywhere, or if I'm just going down the block, I don't, like if I'm just going like out with friends, sometimes I don't want to wear makeup, so I just do my brows and put on lip gloss, throw on some mascara, and that's it. Now I'm gonna go in with some powder. Powder is an essential for me. Right after I do the pomade, I usually will darken it with the powder. So for me, it's like I need a powder. And I just usually will go in very, very light toward the front with the light hand and flick it up, and then darker towards the back or towards the middle and the tail end of the brow with a heavier hand. Now for the front part, I'm going to go back in with the pencil and just do very, very soft light flicks, since I don't have hair there, but technically that's where my brows are pretty much supposed to start. So I'm just going to do very, very light strokes like that, and kind of do a few there. Do one there and do one there. And make it look as natural as possible. Oh, child, took off some of my foundation. Go back over. It's gonna look like that. And whatever is kind of like, you notice any like skips or anything, or like lines, just fix it. It's easier to fix with a pencil because a pencil is more, the bristles are more fine-tuned. Just make sure you keep a very, very light hand. And I have to always remind myself of this. I'm telling you. I be like reminding myself like, Lizette, light hand, light hand. I don't have a brow gel. I used to have one, but I ran out. So I just use like this little mascara because it's kind of like the perfect size almost for my brows. And I just do that to ensure that they're a little bit darker and everything stays in place. And then time to clean up. If you make a mistake, it doesn't matter. Just clean up your brows with your favorite concealer and a concealer brush. So all you do is just put it on and just outline your brow, and that's cleaning up your eyebrow. Okay, so that is it for this tutorial. Let me know in the comments section down below, what are your favorite brow products and how do you usually like to do your makeup face in the morning? If you want to see a tutorial on this eye look, also let me know in the comments section down below and I will gladly show you all how I did this eye look. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really, really do appreciate it. Don't forget to check the description box. That's where I will list all the products that I used here today. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. Thank you all so much for watching. I will check you all out in tomorrow's video. Bye. Honey, I'm right in the middle of a tutorial. It's okay. I'll call you back later. Love you. Bye.